Hi guys, this is Garden Scale. I feel like quarantine makes me feel so bored about lipsticks, so I went to Sephora and I got something. I'm so excited for today's video, so I'm gonna review these lipsticks that I always wanted to try, and this is the first time that I got my hand on it. And these are McGrath. So I bought the mini lipsticks and I feel like they would have more chest range, but that's okay. I got like 9 lipsticks to review and I'm so excited to do it. I remember first time I saw Nikki tutorial use this one and I want that so bad, but I couldn't afford it back then. I could afford it now, so I'm so excited to do this video. So, oh my god, the packaging and those sparkle. I bought 9 lipsticks, and what I have in here is clear lip fetish. One of that is the clear one. The second one is Flash 3 lip sheer color balm. Blow up lip fetish sheer color balm. So interesting. And the next one I bought is Omi 1995. That when I was born, and Flash 3. And the next one is Elzen Obsessed Full Panic. I'm gonna wipe my lips off and put some lip balm like I always do. Feel like for the lip balm, I'll do the review later because I want to try the normal balm that I use every day to see if I like it or not. I don't have the cutter, so I'm gonna use a knife. There's so many that sparkle things in here. Oh my god, I love the packaging. Feel like I don't mind the mini lipsticks. I just want to try as much shade as I could do. So I love that. So this one is Omi. So let's try it on. It's pigmented. It's creamy. This one for the Omi shade is kind of nude. It's a little bit warm, and there's some pinky undertone in that. I like it. Doesn't make me look sick, and I don't need the darker lip liner to tone it down to make it look good on me. It already looks really good. Oh my god, so comfortable. It's a little bit matte on my lips, I would say. So let's try other shade. 1995. Looks too light on the camera, but in real life it looks really dark. It's so easy to take it off also. So my initial thought, I think it's not gonna last long. The normal lipstick wouldn't last long, and I'm okay with that. I can reapply it. Oh! This one feels more matte, and oh, I forgot to put a lip balm on. A second. This is a matte lipstick. It's definitely lighter than the actual tube. Even though on the camera it looks so light, but in real life it looks really dark. But on my lips, it's still pretty light, I would say. 1995. Oh my god, the next one. Gotta put in some plastic coating. It's a Flash 3. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see that? It's some mold. Oh my god. This is Jacqueline Hill, another episode. I'm afraid to put it on. I bought 3 packs of that. Should I be afraid? I'm gonna keep doing this video. It's gonna be great. Next one. This one is Elson. No mold, please. Looks so red and a little bit warm in real life. Like reddish brown kind of thing. But in camera it looks so red and fresh. Have to be careful if they have molds. Alright. Oh. Oh my god, it almost break. So soft. Be careful. I got in real life. Now it looks really opaque. Super red, super fresh. A little bit pinky undertone. It's kind of beautiful. This is like a classic red. And this is the Elson. It's beautiful. It feels comfortable. It's really opaque. Just one vibe. This one is Obsessed. So nude, pinky, light, pinky, cute. Oh my god. Do you think it's too light? Oh my god. When I touch it, it just turned to be not that nude. I'm gonna show you. Show the true color. Is that mold again? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. My god, what is this video? I think it's the mold. I think it's mold, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys, I would really love this kind of color, but my intuition tells me to stop. Full panic. It's gonna be like the name of the lipstick. It's so light, so I'm gonna try to tap. See, it changes the color. What's happening here? Should I keep doing this? This looks fresh. No, nothing like that. This one is a glow up. This one is Flash 3. Oh thank god. No molds. Packaging looks so cute. I love it. I don't like white color, but this one looks amazing. I think this one is a clear lip balm. Thank god, it looks so good. What I have in mind is I'm gonna do the wear test for these lipsticks, but since those lipsticks are contaminated, I don't know. So I think today's video is gonna be like only the lip balm that I'm gonna try. And for those things, just for you guys to think it's kind of funny thing to watch. That's it. I'm gonna return them. I'm gonna use a clear one. Some moisturizing. Consider it's like could be kind of oily, but feels really nice on my lips. Sorry for around my lips area that might look like I did something. It's okay. But for you guys, I'm gonna show. So this is the lip balm look like. It's cute, it's clear, it's moisturizing. You say it's kind of oily. Gonna use something, gonna use the other balm on top. Gonna try Flash 3. Oh. Wow. Looks so cute. This could be my everyday. Looks really cute, nudie, a little bit warm. Feels good on the lips. I love it. Really make my lips feels good too. This lip balm. I think they are good. And lastly, I'm gonna try Blow Up. This one, the color looks more light. It's almost clear. But there's some color in it. I'm not sure if this one would be great option for darker lips. But if you put lipstick on top, there's nothing wrong with it. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of light. I don't get any much color payoff from this one. It's kind of pinky nude and super nude. But overall, I think it looks really pretty also. So the last thing that I wanna do is I'm gonna do the rat test for this balm instead. So I'm gonna put some lipstick on top to see how it goes and if it's good as lip balm or it's good to be alone, do not need lipsticks. So let's do it. But I'm gonna fix these areas. And I'm gonna wear Woe by MAC and Nathan lipstick from Jeffree. These balms are thicker than normal lip balm. Maybe they're better, maybe they're not better. It's moisturizing and feels good. Alright guys, I'm gonna return those mold lipsticks and I'm gonna be right back for the wear test and my final thought of these balms. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm so sorry I didn't do the wear test yesterday. I feel like I wanna do more review. I would like to try this more for many times to see for my final thoughts. And today I would like to try the lip balm for the Flash 3 alone. By the way, for those lipsticks, I already returned them to the Sephora and thank God they received it and I'm gonna get the return money. Now the video is all about the balms because I returned everything. So I hope you guys just think those things were some kind of jokes. So let's try it on for this one. So I didn't apply anything at all and I'm gonna use this alone. For this color, it definitely gives me more like some colors pay off. It looks natural, beautiful, and it's comfortable. Actually, I want to do the lip liner, but it looks really good, so I'm not gonna put any lip liner on. And I'm gonna go out have fun today to see the payoff and the wear test of this one. Right now it's 7 p.m. I'll be right back. Hi guys, and I'm back. Now it's 1 a.m. Today I tried the lip balm in the shade Flash 3 and I went to eat a lot of food today. I would like to zoom in and show you guys about my lips. My lips feels nice. It's not dry, it's not like overly hydrated. It's definitely hydrated, and I would say this one leaves a little bit stain, so I think that's a good thing. Sometimes you apply the lipstick and you eat something and everything fades. Me personally, I don't think that my natural lip color is beautiful. I feel like it's kind of pale and it's not bright, kind of reddish shade. So I actually don't like my natural lip color. It's kind of pale. It looks like zombie. So for this one, it leaves some stain. For me personally, I think I like that. And it's been hours and I ate a lot of things, and I feel like I do like my lips how it looks right now. It's not glossy, but it's hydrated and it leaves some color for me. So when I take off my mask and I eat, or when you go have a date or something, your lips still have some color. I am so impressed about that. So I'm gonna play more with the clear one to see if I like it or not. I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's been forever. I would say it's about a week that I've been using this lip balm from McGrath. So I would like to summarize that these are high quality. So the only drawback that I would say that for this color is a blow up. I think the color payoff for this one is kind of pale, and I'm not into the kind of pale nude, but for the people who love it, they might love it. These are rich and pigmented and leave some stain, but not like till the other day, just till at nighttime, and I love it. And for the Flash 3, it becomes my new go-to lip balm or everyday look. It's really pigmented, beautiful, and rich and moisturizing. And for the clear balm, I would say that I've been using this one also at nighttime as well. I feel like it's really beautiful. It makes my lips so plump in the morning and like they're kind of juicy, and my lips is so pinky in the morning, and I like that. Some lips would make your lips more pigmented and get some darker color, and I'm not into it because I think my natural lips is kind of dark already. So these are so rich, moisturizing, and really good. So that's my final thought, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.